Nothing's going down, man. Everything's on top of the game today. It's a well-oiled machine. This whole trip is just perfect.
That's thanks in part to Pete Gassert of Duluth Lawn and Sports. As the Northland's Polaris dealer, he plays a key role in making sure the sleds are literally well-oiled machines.
It's all fixed now, brand new. I had to fine-tune a couple minor stuff. Little stuff. We got a couple run-ins so people were back on the trails. Good job, Terry. Oh, we didn't have anything major. We had a couple machines that got flooded, and we had to put new spark plugs in them and minor things.
And as a member of the board of directors of the Blackwoods Blizzard Tour, he's also a big reason why the event itself runs so smoothly.
Oh, you guys are ready?
In fact, Pete's been known to give up riding to make sure everyone else can hit the trail safely.
We'll get these guys going, and then we got to get some sleds over to Isabella for our celebrity, and we're good from there. Just was helping people go yesterday and stuff, and a lot of stuff going, so I'll probably ride tomorrow. Might even hop on this afternoon.
And he always does it with a smile and an easy laugh. The reason Gassert gives so much? To fight ALS, of course. Plus, he loves snowmobiling and the Blizzard Tour riders themselves.
It's just a good group of people. We were at a board meeting a month ago and talking about the ride and safety precautions and stuff. And I'd made the comment, I'd put my wife in any one of these groups, or my 12-year-old boy. If they get a problem, I know they're coming back. And anybody in this group will be out there to take care of them. And that's the way the whole group of people is and always has been, and that makes it fun.
We're with Carol Gardenhire, the First Lady, Ron Gardenhire's wife, of course. But Carol, your husband has been named the mid sweeper. How does that affect you in your ride today?
It's a proud moment in my life to know that we have such a great mid sweep in our group, and I feel so safe and so confident now.
Developed that a couple of years ago. There's got to be somebody in the middle that handles the middle part of the game. All right, it's kind of like, you know, you got your closer and you got your starter, but you got to have your middle relievers. They're very important. And that's me. I'm right in the middle.
Well, I think we may be in trouble. Good. We got a good leader in Greg Sorensen that knows the trails, because if we had to rely on Gardy to get us there, I think we may be going south instead of north today.
Well, I'm not really sure what the mid-sweeper's role is. You know, he's just kind of the guy in the middle that kind of organizes the middle. And I don't know if there's really a purpose, but yeah, there's a lot of responsibility, but I'm not sure if there's any purpose.
We're the only group that has a mid sweeper, and our mid sweeper, what he does is when we're crossing highways and stuff, he jumps out in the middle of the pack and will direct our sleds across and make sure that everyone gets across the highway safe. Once we're all across, he jumps back in line, works his way back up to the middle of the pack to become that mid sweeper.
He's going to sit in the middle, and he's going to pretty much do nothing, but mostly he's just going to wear the big yellow jacket.
I can sweep. I guarantee it. I can stop traffic. I know how to raise my hands up. I know how to stop oncoming traffic. I'm good at this stuff.
I trust my life with him as a mid sweeper.
I get a vest. That's the most important thing. A vest. I look like an officer.
No, I'm the secret mid sweeper watcher, and I don't get an actual jacket because it'd make him feel bad, I think.
So your job is to keep an eye on the mid sweeper?
Pretty much. Make sure he doesn't screw up.
Count, we love the slider. I pick corners of the dish. Good control, and he's got nasty. We fan hitters as you wish. When they're swinging, heat we're bringing. You need outs, we get you more. Sidearm slinging, we are singing. I come in and close the door.
Some snowmobiling. Blizzard Tour fights ALS.
Ride to the tower at full power.
As a mid-sweep, I'm the best.
Leading Gardy, it's not easy.
keeping Andy from the trees.
Back to Blackwoods for some cocktail.
Raising cash for this disease.
Anybody ever played an instrument before? No? Sang before?
We're not going to tell you if we did.
Blizzard Tour fights ALS. Fights ALS. Blizzard Tour. All right.
I'm the best.
Tree smile.
Back to Blackwoods for some cocktails.
Full power.
Fights ALS.
From the trees.
Fights ALS.
Somebody was off key a little bit.
That's me.
It's not easy.
Fights ALS.
Whatever. Feeling like some...
No, you don't have to sing right.
Solo. We got a solo going.
Blizzard Tour fights ALS.
Open your eyes.
I'm the best.
Blizzard fights ALS.
Back to Blackwoods.
Tour ALS. There we go.